last class, we discussed method of grouping and problems on method of grouping. Now, in this lecture, I am going to discuss the problems on method of multipliers. See students, this topic is very important in external examination. Do it carefully, right? Come on, write down the problem. Solve z minus y into p plus x minus z q, that is equal to y minus x. Solution. What is first step, students? What is first step? Write down Lagrange's linear equation. Lagrange's equation. What is Lagrange's equation, students? Small p, capital P plus small q, capital Q. That is equal to R, students. That is equal to R. Now you compare these two, students. Compare these two. What is P? Capital P is equal to z minus y. And capital Q is equal to x minus z. And R is equal to y minus x. Now we get PQR. Right? Subsidiary equation. Subsidiary equation. What is subsidiary equation, students? Dx by, come on, capital P, that is equal to dy by capital Q, that is equal to dz by capital R. That implies dx by capital P means it is z minus y. That is equal to dy by q means x minus z. That is equal to dz by R means it is y minus x. Previously we are equating two equations and then we are integrating, then we get u and v values, students. U and v values. Here, if I am taking these two equations, is it possible to find u value, students? Is it possible here? No. You cannot find here by integrating, because here we have x minus z, students. X minus z. Here we have dx, students. We cannot integrate z, students, with respect to x, because we don't know whether z is a function of x or constant, right? So in such cases we are applying method of multipliers. What is, students? Method of multipliers. Now method of multipliers by method of multipliers choose what we are choosing here, students? L value, m value and n value. L value, m value and n value. I observe the denominator, students. Z minus y, x minus z, y minus x here. So minus x here and plus x here. So I can take here, L is equal to 1, students. M is equal to 1, students. And n is equal to 1, students. I am choose L, M, n, 1, students. Now take L capital P plus M capital Q plus n capital R, students. To take the denominator value, students. L P plus M Q plus M R. What is the value, students? What is the value? The value is equal to 0. The value is equal to 0, students. Please remember that. L value is 1. So 1. P value is here, students, z minus y. Plus m value is also 1. Q value x minus z. Plus n value also 1. R value y minus x. So plus z minus y plus x minus x cancel, students. So the value is equal to 0. It satisfies the first condition, students. then which value is 0, students? That implies which value is 0? 0. L dx plus m dy plus n dz is equal to 0, students. L dx plus m dy plus n dz is equal to 0. What are the element values? Element values are 1. So here we get here dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Now we get here integral of left hand side, students. Integral of dx plus integral of dy plus integral of dz, that is equal to integral of 0, students. We get here constant. So it is a students. A. Now integral of dx means it is x plus integral of dy means it is y. Dz it is z. So it is equal to a, students. This is equal to, say it is u. This is first solution, students. How many solutions, students, we have? 2 solutions. First one is u and second one is v. Now you find v value, students. V value. Again you choose the element value, students. See, if you have zy, x minus z, y minus x. How can you choose the element value here, students? Previously, L value 1, M value 1 and N value 1. I am substituting here, we get the value 0. Now second time also, again you take the condition LP plus MQ plus NR value. The value also 0, students. You choose such LMN. You choose such LMN. I want to tell you, students, here. Choose L is equal to, see, students, there is symmetric, students. Y minus z minus y, x minus z, y minus x. So here the missing term is x, students. What is missing term here? X. So I want to take L value as x, students. Come on, M value now. You guess xz here. Take y. And N value, students. N value is z. N value is z. You take the condition, students. LP plus MQ plus NR. That is equal to x into p value z minus y plus m into m value is y into q x minus z plus n value is z, r value is y minus x. So that is equal to, multiply, students, xz minus xy, xz minus xy plus yx minus yz, yx minus yz plus, what was z, students? Zy minus zx, zy minus zx. See, students, xz here plus xz, here minus xz, minus xy plus xy, minus yz plus zy. So this value is equal to 0, students. So you can take here L dx, that implies L dx plus m dy plus n dz value, students, 0. N dz value is 0. So that implies, what is L value, students? X. So x dx plus y dy plus z dz, that is equal to 0. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. We get here integral of x dx plus integral of y dy plus integral of z dz, that is equal to, this time, students, this side is b. Now integral of x dx, students. X dx means x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2, that is equal to b. That implies, do LCM here and cross multiply. So it is x square plus y square plus z square, that is equal to 2b. So 2b is equal to b1. So this is v, students. So this is v. Now you get u value and v value, students. Therefore solution is f of, what is solution, students? X plus y plus z, comma x square plus y square plus z square. So that is equal to 0. This is the solution of the given equation. Once again, students, write on the linear equation, write on the subsidiary equation. And here we cannot apply method of grouping, students. We cannot apply here method of grouping. Any two equations. If we take any two equations, we cannot apply method of grouping. So we are applying here method of multipliers. In method of multipliers, I am choosing element, students. How you are choosing element here? LP plus MQ plus NR value is equal to 0. So I am choosing here LMN. So I am taking LP plus MQ plus NR value. This is 0, students. So L value substituted here. L dx plus M dy plus N dz is equal to 0. Again, I am substituting element values, you get U value, students. Similarly, you choose another element value, students. Element values. So Lmn is equal to x, y, z respectively. I am substituting Lp plus Mq plus Nr here. We get the value is 0. So I am applying element values here. We get V here. So finally we get the solution. This is the procedure, students. This problem is very, very important, students. Do it carefully. Right, next problem, students. Solve y plus z into p minus x plus z into q, that is equal to x minus y. Solution. Count it, students. What is capital P value? Capital P value is here y plus z. Capital Q value minus of x plus z. And R value x minus y. R value is x minus y. Now you write subsidiary equation, students. Subsidiary equation. What is subsidiary equation, students? dx by p, that is equal to dy by q, that is equal to dz by r. Now dx by p is y plus z, that is equal to dy by multiply with minus, students, minus x minus z, that is equal to dz by r, students. R means it is x minus y. Here also we cannot apply first method of grouping. So apply method of multipliers. Apply method of multipliers. Choose here. Choose L value, students. L value. See, students, here we have minus x and plus x, plus y, minus z and plus z, students. So I can take here L value 1, M value 1 and N value 1. What is the next step, students? Take LP plus MQ plus NR. So that is equal to y plus z plus minus x minus z plus x minus y. So plus y minus y plus z minus x plus x are cancelled. So the value is 0. Then plus what we can say here, students? L dx plus M dy plus N dz value and dz value 0, students. Later we substitute element value, students. Element values are 1. So dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. Now what is next step, students? Very good. Integrating on both sides. We get here integral of dx plus integral of dy plus integral of dz, that is equal to, say, it is a, students. A. Now integral of dx is x plus integral of dy is y plus integral of dz is z, students. So that is equal to a. Say this is u, students. This is the first solution. This is problem over here, students? No. We are finding v value. We choose another element, students. Come on, guess it, students. Choose L is equal this time. Again, see, students, y plus z here. Choose L is equal to x and M is equal, students, y. N is equal, students, xy here. So we get z. Again, check the condition, students. LP plus MQ plus NR. So that is equal to LP. L value is x. P value is y plus z. So multiply xy plus xz plus mq students, m value is y, multiply with y students, minus xy minus yz plus multiply with z here students, xz minus yz. So plus xy minus xy plus xz minus xz minus yz. See students here, we done some mistakes here. Xy plus yxz. See students here. If you have a plus xz students, here also plus xz. So you did one thing students here, you take minus z students this time. You take minus z. Then you get here minus z, you multiply with minus z students, here minus xz and plus yz. So plus xz minus xz minus yz plus yz are cancelled. So the value is equal to 0. So that implies you get here L dx plus M dy plus N dz is equal to 0 students. That implies L value is L student, L value is x. So x dx plus y value students, M value is y dy. N value students here minus z, this time minus z. So minus z dz, that is equal to 0. Simply integrate students, integrating on both sides. We get integral of x dx plus integral of y dy plus minus integral of z dz, that is equal to students, inside is b. It is b. Integral of x dx students, x square by 2 plus integral of y dy, y square by 2 minus integral of z dz, z square by 2. So that is equal to b. That implies, do it LCM and cross multiply, we get here. So it is v is equal to x square plus y square minus z square, that is equal to 2b. So we get here u value and v value, u value and v value. Therefore required solution is f of x plus y plus z, x square plus y square minus z square, that is equal to 0. This is the solution of given equation, students. Let us see the another problem. Write down students. Solve x into y square minus z square plus y into p plus y into z square minus x square into q, that is equal to z into x square minus y square, z into x square minus y square. Solution. What is capital P students here? X y square minus z square, q students y bracket z square minus x square. What is r students? Z bracket x square minus y square, x square minus y square. What is next step students? Subsidiary equation. What is subsidiary equation students? dx by capital P, that is equal to dy by capital Q, that is equal to dz by capital R. That implies dx by capital P students, x y square minus z square, that is equal to dy by q y into z square minus x square, that is equal to dz by z into x square minus y square. Say you choose element students here. You choose LMN. So choose L is equal to. See students, observe the denominators here. Observe the denominators. Here we have y square minus z square minus x square, and x square minus y square, students. So there is symmetry. The terms will be cancelled, students. So it is enough to eliminate x, y, z, students. It is enough to eliminate x, y, z. So that L value I can take here, students, 1 by x. L value 1 by x. M value, students, 1 by y. N value 1 by z, students. Very good. LP plus MQ plus NR. That is equal to L value is 1 by x. 1 by x. P value, students, x into y square minus z square. Plus M value 1 by y. Q value y into z square minus x square. Plus N value 1 by z. R value is z into x square minus y square. Z cancel, y cancel, x cancel. That is equal, we get here y square minus z square plus z square minus x square plus x square minus y square plus y square minus y square plus minus z square plus z square minus x square plus x square cancel. So the value is equal to 0. So the value is equal to 0. That implies we get here, students, L dx plus M dy plus N dz. Value, students, 0. That implies, what is L value, students, here? 1 by x. 1 by x dx plus M value 1 by y dy plus N value 1 by z dz. That is equal to 0. Simply integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integral of 1 by x dx plus integral of 1 by y dy plus integral of 1 by z dz. That is equal to, it is this time, say, students, 1 by x is log a, students, 1 by y is log y, 1 by z is log z. So I can write here, students, log a, because a is the arbitrary constant. So here we get log x plus integral of 1 by y dy is log y plus integral of 1 by z dz is log z. That is equal to log a, students. So log x plus log y log z. It can be written as log x y z, that is equal to log a. That implies, comparing these two, you can write it as x y z is equal to a, students. So it is u. U is equal to x y z is equal to a. We get first solution, students. What about second solution? Come on, tell me, students. Second solution. Choose L is equal, students. L is equal, come on, think. What is L value here? We have y square minus z square, students. Here we have only x. So you can take as, say, if I write here x square, if I get x square, I can multiply. Here also I write y square. If I multiply and z square I multiply, there is symmetry property. So if I am adding, the value becomes 0. So I can choose L value here, students, x. It is only by observation, students. By observation of the denominator, you choose L, M value, students. L, M, N values. Right? L is equal to x. And M value, students, M value is y. And N value is z. So again you take LP plus MQ plus NR. That is equal to LP. L value is x. P value is x into y square minus x into x square here. We get here y square minus z square plus y into M value is y. Y into, that means we get y square into z square minus x square plus N value is z, so we get here z square into x square minus y square. So that is equal to, multiply with x square, students, we get here x square y square minus x square z square plus y square z square minus y square x square plus z square x square minus z square y square. So students, plus x square y square, here we have minus x, y square x square, minus x square z square plus x square z square plus y square z square minus y square z square is equal to 0 students. So it satisfies the first condition. That implies what is solution students here? L dx plus m dy plus n dz is equal to 0 students. That implies what is L value here? Come on, x dx plus y dy plus n value is z students, so z dz. So that is equal to 0. Simply integrating. Our students, integrating. Integral of x dx plus integral of y dy plus integral of z dz, that is equal to, see students, we get here that is equal to b. Previously we get a here, so it is b. So integral of x dx means x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2, that is equal to b. That implies due to and cross multiply we get here. So this is v. V is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2b. 2b. Therefore, the required solution is what students? F of x y z and b is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0, which is required the solution students of given equation. This is about method of multipliers problem students. In the next class I want to solve some more problems on method of multipliers students, because this topic is very very important students next exam point of view. So thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.